It's a new boat project. It's a 1995 Grumman. It's a 1649. It's a stick steer. It has a 98 Evinrude 50 horse. This is just filled up with a whole bunch of trash. Pretty much just a whole bunch of leaves. It was sitting out in the parking lot for about 2 years. It's a stick steer. What do you say? I need some new bunks. Don't really know the condition of the motor because the owner didn't have the key, or they lost the key. So I just order a new key, a hold switch. Trailer's gonna need some work. The wiring is shot. But overall, a good boat. Came with some new tires. I'm going to have to do some work with the wheel bearings. Probably replace those. Obviously, new lights. Get some LED lights. It's got 2 screws going through the top of it. Bilge pump. Looked like it had a live well of some sorts. Don't know if any of this stuff works. Don't know if the electronics work. Anything. Don't know if any of the wiring is damaged. Got some gauges up here. Try to take this off one-handed. See if I can get this off in one hand. Looks fairly clean, except for, little spider webs here and there. Like there. Transom felt fairly solid. Like the stick steer. And that's stuck. But overall, solid boat. Thanks for watching.